Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to delete your account on Bluesky on the account section easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the Bluesky application and then go to this three lines up here and then go to the profile, no, settings I mean. Then here you will find account, click on it, and in the bottom you will find delete account. So click delete account. Now you have to click send email and then you can delete it. So that's it. That's how to delete your account on Bluesky easy and quickly. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And that's it. See you in the next video.